Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Google Meet. Here you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.